For another Jazzimus Log. Yeah, so hello everybody, Jazzimus right here, back for another Jazzimus Log. This time it's an unboxing video from the great people from AMIAMI. Today I got a package. I know what's in it, but do you guys know what's in it? Let's find out what it is myself. Let's get the knife here. And let's open it. I already took it off the information sheet plastic wrapping on the box, so you guys can't find out my address. So let's open this bad boy up. Something new from AMIAMI that I will look at a little bit later. Let's just double check the blade. That's one side. Okay then, and now let's do it from here. Let's just stab it from here. And let's open it up. Salmon paper. Oh! Got some salmon paper here. Oh! Oh, this is a great big box. Ah. Oh, Makai Kaido Volume 1 by Bandai. Oh, this looks nice. This does look nice. I'm probably going to end up doing a review of this guy because this guy just looks epically awesome. And I will be reviewing this guy due to the cape looks awesome. Yeah, so this is just an unboxing video. And the box is just beautifully made. It's a beautiful box. I don't know how to tell you guys, but when I saw this on pre-order at AMIAMI, I literally went, buy. This is my first Garo thing. I don't know if you can even see it. Let's bring it up. It's such a beautiful box. Nice shot, nice gold and everything, and it just looks really, really remarkable. Oh, looking on the instructions how to put the cape on would be nice even well. So yeah, so it's the first volume of the Makai Kaido line, and it looks really, really remarkable already. And it comes with 6 pairs of hands, a cape, 2 forms of the sword, the lighter, the horror lighter, the horror blade, where, you know, where Koga just lights up his sword for his finishing attack, and his actual sword. So yeah, after this vlog, I will be uploading the video review for this, and yeah, I will be uploading the video review for this because my Samurai Megazord is up. If you don't know that it's up, check TokuTF's my fan page. Check there, the links there that I'll be sharing. But this is going to be a straight to YouTube exclusive. Not going to be appear on my fan page or anything. It's going to straight onto my YouTube channel. I'm going to get the review done in a bit. Yeah, I'm going to be definitely looking in this figure. Anyway, see you next time. And keep on riding. Bye bye for now.